Massive news after massive news for the overall markets. Once Bitcoin is bullish, once the markets are bullish, a lot of projects, meme coins included, get bullish, man. And you just never know what can happen in the bull cycle. So we are back, Milady Memecoin fan, with another update for you guys. If you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. What we're going to be diving into is the news from Eric Balchunas that ARK Invest just filed for a spot Ethereum ETF. The first one, and probably more coming, is imminent. And here is the full documentation right here. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission former S1 registration statement, ARK 21 shares Ethereum ETF. And as you guys can see right here, guys, ARK Invest Asset Manager Company. ARK Invest Management LLC is an American investment management firm based in St. Petersburg, Florida, that manages several actively managed exchange-traded funds. It was founded by Cathie Wood in 2014. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Cathie Wood is. She's a super bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, and is a great investor, right? Similar to the Warren Buffetts of the world. At the height of February of 2021, the company had $50 billion in assets under management. And, you know, Cathie is filing for that Ethereum ETF. The ETFs are coming, man. And overall, we're having more and more bullish news for the overall markets, which is great. Because when the markets start to get more and more bullish, a lot of projects will start to break out, man. And I'm telling you guys, I wouldn't be surprised we see 100%, 200%, 300% moves in a lot of projects, altcoins, meme coins included, Milady Memecoin included as well, man. Again, you saw it making moves on crypto.com. It was up like 20, 30, 50%. It's around 2x from when I started to talk about it. So if when I started to talk about it, right, people will say, oh, it's a scam, it's a pump and up, etc., right, because it's a meme coin, it's high risk, right? Well, guess what? When I started to talk about it, it's a 2x officially, right? So if you want to take your initial out and then you walk away like you never even invested and then you leave in a moon bag, there you go. You just, you know, you're safe and protected now, right? As for the people who are, you know, who don't think meme coins could do anything, right? You just never know when it comes to these projects. But again, guys, anything I say, it's not financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Again, it's just a fun play for me, and I see the communities there showing a lot of activity. So this ARK Invest news is huge stuff, man. This is very big, right? And Milady's tied to Ethereum, so Ethereum starts to pop. You wouldn't be surprised. The wrap ETH pair for Milady starts to pop as well. The markets right now aren't saying much. We had the nice pop up in Bitcoin because of the ETF news for Grayscale, but we came back down. The Grayscale ETF is delayed for like another 40 days or so. So let's keep an eye on that and see what happens as time progresses. Ladies right now came back down to 3.8. It got all the way up to 4.1. Again, like I said, guys, I was talking about it back down here at 2.02, right? And I was like, well, now's a nice time to buy it. And then it went all the way up 2x, right? So to protect your investment and be a good trader, you could have just, you know, if you, not saying you should buy any meme coin, right? Not saying you should buy any meme coin, but I'm just saying if you did, right, because you see my videos covering the project, right, you could take your initial out and then just having a moon bag for the bull cycle. That's it, right? Your funds are protected. You're safe, right? But people won't think of it like that. They're just gonna say, oh, he's, you know, a scam pump and dumper, right? That's what they're gonna say, as usual, man. Never taking no accountability, man. But anyway, guys, you never know what can happen in the space. But you guys already know how people are in this space, never taking any accountability for their trades. Yes, again, like I said, this is just a fun play for me. I told you guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Don't break the bank on any meme coin whatsoever, right? But you never know what can happen in the bull cycle. Again, like I said, the reason why I'm continuously covering the project is because the community is there. I do have like 10 billion Milady myself, and just gonna see what happens with it, right? If I lose that, what is it now? Because yeah, right now it's just under $400, right? Because I'm in profit. right? If I lose that investment, it's whatever, right? I'm not gonna be here telling you guys to break the bank, but I see a community here. I see people tuning into the content, and you never know if it continues to, you know, you never know if it continues to grow in the future, man. You just never know. So right now, sitting at $28.54 million in market cap, just under $3 million in 24-hour trade volume. Still on this nice little move up, even though Bitcoin is down. Very interesting to see. From Bull 123, ladies, 30 days ago, we were at 2,500 level. I'm okay consolidated for a short bit at 384 level. Ladies will go sky high soon. Keep sharing, keep holding. Buy if you can, and have a great day. The future is bright. And that's why I was saying earlier, like, you know, it's officially a 2x, because I talked about it around that 2 level, right? 002 level, right? So we got to 4-1. So you could just take your initials, which the money that you invested, if you put in 100, 200, 300, you could take that out now and just, you know, have a free bag, right? People will still be like, oh no, is, you know, scammed, etc. Man, I don't know how to please people, man. You can't please everybody, man. From Mr. Sheeb, ladies, another shorts annihilation day. We get them shorts out of here, man. RW, shape the ladies. I'm bullish on ladies being sharking for coins, hodl. And a lot of engagement for it. That's why I said the community is active, man. 7 thumbs up, 9 hearts, 3 hearts for that, 7 hearts for that. I'm bullish on ladies from Nella Kate, 6 hearts, 7 hearts now, 7 hodl emojis, 4 thumbs up. Super Mario 89, ladies, that's what I'm talking about. Diamond Hands, hodl, 4 thumbs up, 9 hearts, 7 hodl emojis, man. Crypto Crip, I think huge FOMO will kick in if we climb to the 5 level. 13 hearts, 5 thumbs up, 8 hodl emojis, Mr. Sheeb. I'm not sure what's happening, but remember how crazy this market can get. Nobody could predict the market, man. The Ethereum, the Elon tweet is down in history, right? 7 thumbs up, 9 hearts. That Elon tweet is cemented in history for ladies, man. I'm telling you, you never know, man. You never know what could happen. Phoenix, number of holders increasing for ladies. So bullish on ladies, and the best is yet to come. 8 hearts for that. And you know, the consistent growth in the community, the holders, all of that, very interesting to see for the project, man. Again, it's a meme coin. It's just a fun play for me, and I think it should be just a fun play for you guys as well. Make sure you have your like altcoins, great use case altcoins that you have in your bag, you know. But similar to how there's this huge Dogecoin Mars community, and how there's content creators that consistently cover Dogecoin Mars, right? And they see a future for Dogecoin Mars, man. Right here, Dogecoin Mars is like what? The number 6th or 7th biggest meme coin, right? You never know if ladies could just be right there, because ladies is like the top 10 or top 10 or 11 top meme coins, right? And again, you know, my thought process still stands. A lot of people won't be able to afford these gas fees on Ethereum. A lot of people won't be able to take the chance and get into projects on Ethereum because of failed transactions, high gas fees, MEV bots. All of these things are going to be, you know, very terrible blocks for people. People are still going to be learning about, you know, DeFi and how to use decentralized exchanges to get projects, right? But the first place they're going to go to, in my opinion, the first place they're gonna get their meme coins is exchanges, right? Because they don't want to pay no $200-300, because peak bull run, Ethereum's gas fees are gonna go right back to like $200-300 per transaction. So they're just to buy like $100 or $200 worth of a project, you're gonna have to spend $300-400 in gas fees, and people aren't gonna not a lot of people will do that, will go through that, right? They won't you know, make that decision. The place they're gonna go to first, in my opinion, is centralized exchanges, and they're probably gonna be buying the meme coins on centralized exchanges first, like Sheeb, you know, Pepe, Bone, Floki, Baby Doge, Dogeland, right? That's the ones that are gonna be getting first, the ones that are on tier 1 exchanges that are easily accessible to them, right? Whenever retail starts to get back into the space. And you could see the volume for ladies is always at a consistent 2 to 3 million, you know, even with you know, even with the market on a downturn, the volume here is always still very consistent. 100k on Uniswap, 92k KuCoin, 384k Gate.io, 121k Huobi, 91k Bybit, 221k BitGet, and 100k on crypto.com exchange. And it's very interesting that it has 100k in volume on crypto.com exchange. I also see a lot of investors from crypto.com who hold projects like Crow, VVS, etc. Tonic. They have a bag of ladies, people that used to, you know, that still probably tune into my channel when I used to cover Tonic a lot. I still have to probably do another Tonic update, but those are the people that I'm seeing in the ladies community as well. People that I follow, they bought a bag because guess what? It is on crypto.com. And speaking of the volume that ladies has on crypto.com compared to a project like Unibot, which is at $82 million in market cap, 83 million, that a lot of people are using on ETH for like trading, right? It only has a volume as far on crypto.com. The volume for it, look at this, it's only $2,800 in volume, right, on crypto.com. Extremely low volume here for Unibot, right? And a lot of people are using Unibot in the Ethereum degen, you know, space, right, where they buy meme coins that launch on Ethereum. It only has $2,800 in volume, whereas ladies has over 100,000, right? So I'm telling you guys, this is what I'm expecting, man. I'll see what happens. Now obviously I could be wrong, and nothing is wrong with that, guys. I'll just own up to it and be like, I was wrong. So I just got to be as transparent and genuine with you guys as possible, just like in the live streams, man. I'm letting you guys know, hey, this is a meme coin. It could go to zero, right? This is why you don't overinvest, right? And if something does go wrong with the project, I'll clearly make a video and be like, hey guys, I was wrong. I'm sorry. This is what it is. But the flip side could happen, flip of a coin. If, you know, ladies absolutely crushes it in the future, something crazy happens and we look like superstars, hey, I hope I get my credit too, man. I hope people be like, yo, here's your credit, okay? So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in, Milady Memecoin fam. Please be sure to share the videos with your friends and family. Like, comment, subscribe, hit all notifications. I really appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.